Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a wig unboxing. I'm so excited. This was obviously kind of gifted to me, by the way. However, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. It was just kind of gifted to me and I need to share this with you. It is beautiful. So it is by the brand Vivi and they do natural human hair wigs. Of course, this is how it's packaged. I have opened it, by the way, just in case you're wondering why it looks a wee bit sad, this ribbon here. I obviously couldn't help myself, but this is how it did come packaged, which is absolutely beautiful. It's a nice soft matte, yeah, it's just like a really nice soft matte dark navy box with obviously your wee ribbon. And then we have our wig and our products. So I'm not too sure whether every order comes with this wee pouch here, and inside it has a wee pintail comb or a fishtail comb, kind of depends on whatever way you want to call it. And we also have these wee brushes here, so if you do wear wigs you'd know that these come in really handy. We just have like a really wee fine toothed comb here, kind of like the wee pintail, and then we kind of have like a more dense bristle brush here, so this would be really good for like smoothing out your edges and parting work, etc., and just overall smoothing of the wig for any wee flyaways and everything. And then also comes with a couple of wee clips as well. And then next up for the wig, and it obviously does come in this wee keepsake bag as well. This is the wig here. It is absolutely stunning. This is the Vivian Blonde Highlight Wig, and I will also have wee inserts and everything where I will show you like close-ups and stuff of the lace and like the hairline and everything. But with these wigs here, they come pre-plucked, so it just means that you don't have to do any plucking at all. And obviously with this lace here, obviously because of my skin tone, I just selected a transparent lace, and all laces are HD as well. So obviously depending on your skin tone, you can select your colour, let's just say like mocha, honey, cappuccino, etc. So it's really handy. Okay guys, so as I had mentioned, this is the Vivian Blonde Highlight Wig, and it has bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline. So this obviously just means that once you get your wig or receive your wig, you do not need to pluck or sort out the hairline or the parting. The parting is obviously versatile depending on whether you want it in the centre, off centre, or a side parting from left to right and all that good stuff. And you only just need to trim your lace to your desired wherever on your head, I suppose. This is a 13x6 clean bleached frontal wig. Vivi's 13x6 clean bleached knots is a perfect combination of like professional bleaching knots technique and special hair tied method. It makes their wigs look as if they're actually growing out of the scalp and have no black dots. And then, as I say, the wig has a pre-plucked hairline and a pre-sewn adjustable strap and elastic band in the back. So obviously you can take this off, you can keep it on. I personally do like whenever there's like an elastic strap. You'll obviously see it in the wee clips here, but because I do find that it can be quite comfortable because it just sits nicely just at the nape of your neck. So I'm going to try it first of all without a wig cap, but usually whenever I'm wearing a wig and I know I'm going to be wearing it for a certain length of time, I always like to wear a wig cap because it just kind of like protects the wig from like the oils and stuff from your actual head. So I just have my hair slicked back, parting, because I obviously like to have my parting in the centre to match the wig, and just slicked back at the sides. Oh, and I think I forgot to mention as well, but it also has like a slight dark root as well. Obviously like my natural hair, I do have like my roots coming through quite a bit, so I always like to have a wee bit of like a dark root going on because of like the contrast. I wouldn't want the dark root of my own hair to show through if this was like pure blonde, if that makes sense. So, and I'm really happy with the colour. It is absolutely stunning. Beautiful colours. As I had showed you there on the wee clip, we obviously have the elastic strap. This can be taken off, by the way, and then we also have our other wee adjustable straps here as well. These wee ones here always come in wigs, whereas not a lot of wigs have these adjustable straps here, which is actually a really nice wee touch. I think that they're really handy, and it also makes it so much easier to apply the wigs as well, or to get them on, let's just say. So I basically like to turn the wig around, kind of like upside down, and get the elastic strap and basically put this over my head at the nape of your neck. So I think I can already feel that I need to adjust that strap a bit because it's very loose. So I'm just going to be able to do that just like this. Oh my god, that's so easy. Wow. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh, and also that's another thing, the wig cap that I was able to choose was medium. This fits like a glove. Oh my word. So you can obviously see how nice that lace is. Like, that just looks like a human hairline. It's absolutely incredible. It's, oh my god. I can't get over how stunning this is. As I had mentioned, it is versatile, so if I just put this wee pintail comb and put the wig off centre, like as you can see, the wig is versatile where you can have your parting wherever you want it to, or if you want to bring it over a wee bit more. Obviously if you get like just like a wee hot brush or something, just to train the hair or like make the hair sit better over on that side. It's so nice, but I think I'm actually happy enough with just keeping it in the middle parting for now. Now to trim this lace, I have all my wee tools here. I'm going to get the excess hair. I'm going to keep these wee side bits down for now and just pin this back just so that it doesn't get in my way. Just taking my scissors and I'm going to cut up the center. I'm not going to cut the whole way. I'm not going to just do a big massive incision the whole way up the center. I'm just going to kind of take it easy and just kind of do a wee bit of a cut and then see if I'm okay with how far I've come up. And now I'm going to take my wee blade, and I always like to do this side first. Okay guys, so that is the lace cut and I'm now just going to start and style it. So obviously this bit here kind of all just kind of depends on your preference or anything. You can either take like a hairspray or like a clear stronghold gel, like a gel that will dry obviously clear and everything. I actually don't have the gel that I usually use for my wigs. Kyle actually stole it. So I'm just going to be using this hairspray here. I'm going to peel it back. So I'm just going to put that round. Use my finger. So we kind of want to do this quick. So that it can get tacky. And then you just want to pull the wig back and kind of stick it then to the hairspray. Now, obviously because it is real virgin hair, you can style it on a very low heat. So this is just like the natural style that it came in. It has just a nice wee soft subtle wave, but I think I'm going to straighten it the tiniest wee bit. So I have my straighteners on for the past 10 minutes, so I've literally just turned them off, but they're still really hot. So I'm just going to go in and straighten these wee front bits. So, yeah, looks so nice. So in terms of the length of the wig, I can't remember what inches that is. I'll actually just stand up and let you have just like a wee nosy at it. Like it's beautiful. Like it has the tiniest wee bits, like shorter here. Obviously you can cut it if you want, but it's nearly too nice to cut. So it is, but obviously that's what it looks like as well whenever it's straightened, and that's the ends of it as well. I didn't straighten too much at the ends, by the way, because I don't like to straighten too much at the ends whenever it's a wig anyway. That's just my personal preference. I don't like to ruin it or anything, and I don't like to put a lot of heat on the ends in case they get frazzled or fried, or you just never know. I just like to keep my wigs pretty good, but it just looks like real hair. I just love it. Usually whenever I get wigs, they can be very, very, very bulky at the bottoms, to the point where you have to go in and cut at it. It's just a blunt straight line and there's so much hair, whereas that literally just looks like, I have a hair on my face, where it literally just looks like hair. I'm honestly so happy. I think it looks so good. It's so nice as well. I'm honestly so happy with it. It's just, it's gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful, and it is so comfortable. I love the hairline. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy with the colour of it as well. So of course, thank you so much for sending me and gifting me this wig. I absolutely love it. I will have all the information and details down below in the description box. I'll obviously have like a wee direct link to sorry, I keep on like playing with it here, sorry. I know how annoying that can be. But yeah, I will obviously have like a direct link down below in the description box for you. And of course, just go on to their website and check out their wigs anyway. They're absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I hope you all did enjoy. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer me with a wig or without? I have a feeling that most of you are going to say without, but sure, it's a bit of fun, why not? But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all staying safe and well. Please be kind, look after yourselves and each other, and I shall see you in my next video.